In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install free Steam desktop games. We'll walk through the exact path inside Steam so you can find legitimate free titles and get them onto your PC without paying a cent. I'll also point out what to look for things like system requirements, drive space, and download options so your install goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening Steam on your computer. You should be in the desktop app and signed in so the install button is available. Across the top navigation, click Store. This takes you to Steam's main marketplace, where every category is organized and curated. If the store isn't visible, expand the window or look for the menu bar at the very top. Store sits alongside Library and Community. Inside the store, select Browse. Browse opens up Steam's category view with helpful filters. From here, choose Free to Play. This page lists all games that are permanently free to install and play. Take a moment to use the search field or the filters on the left to narrow by genre, features like controller support or operating system. Checking these now saves you from downloading a game your device can't run well. Scroll through the free-to-play catalog, pick a game that interests you, and click it to open its store page. On that page, press Play Game. A small install window appears. Choose where to install by selecting your Steam library folder or a different drive if you're managing space. Confirm you have enough disk space, then click Install. Steam begins downloading immediately. You can monitor progress in the Downloads view. When it's finished, the game is automatically added to your library for easy access. Before you pick your next title, glance at the store page's system requirements and recent reviews to set expectations, and remember that some free games may download additional content later. That's it. Use Store, Browse, Free to Play, pick your game, hit Play Game, choose your install location, and click Install. Enjoy exploring the free library and building your collection.